Python multiprocessing lib error, attribute error, __exit ___. I'm getting this error when using the pool.map funct iterable. No explanation, only stack trace to the pool.py file within the module. Using in this way, I suspect there could be a problem with the pickleability if Python needs to pickle or transform list data into byte stream, yet I'm not sure if this is true or if it is. How to debug. Edit, new format of code that produces this error. Error produced.
With statement is for object that have __enter ___ and __exit functions, i.e. context manager types. Multiprocessing.pool is not context manager type. Try do the following.
In Python 2.x and 3.0, 3.1 and 3.2, multiprocessing.pool objects are not context managers. You cannot use them in a with statement. Only in Python 3.3 and up can you use them as such. From the Python 3 multiprocessing.pool documentation. New in version 3.3, pool objects now support the context management protocol. See context manager types. __enter returns the pool object, band __exit calls terminate. For earlier Python versions, you could use contextlib.closing, but take into account this will call pool.close, not pool.terminate. Terminate manually in that case. Or create your own terminating context manager.
Iwan hotel isn't in likeness shopping.